Never before in the history of mankind has been the pace of innovation and technology faster than it is today, says Mr. Yannick Shilley, CEO of Altix Consultancy in the US. Technology is evolving with the blink of an eye, and there are no two ways about it. Advanced tech like data science has tightened its grip and extended over a variety of domains. Manufacturing is the leading one. Are you hailing from a manufacturing background thinking to switch careers into data science? Or are you stuck in a place lacking clarity on how you can leverage your manufacturing background to advance further? This is going to be a quick roadmap that answers all of your queries. Data science has revolutionized the manufacturing industry like no other. Big data applications have improved the overall manufacturing process of even giant MNCs like Ford and General Motors. Not just the business mammoths, but small enterprises have also been at the receiving end of benefits with the application of data science. Wondering how it works? Let me tell you. Data science in manufacturing helps analyze key performance indicators. Say, if you run a manufacturing business producing vehicle engines and you need to check the overall equipment effectiveness, here is data science to help. What else does it do? Data science has an important role to play in fault identification and predictive maintenance in manufacturing. System failure is common with machines. No wonder. Most of us have encountered difficult scenarios working with machines and their unpredictable breakdowns. But what if we can know it beforehand? Does it not save our time, money, and effort? Thanks to machine learning, predictive maintenance is possible in the manufacturing domain. Smart manufacturing factories are on the rise with robotization and automation. Data science plays a key, starting from product design and development to price and supply chain optimization. Manufacturing magnates like Maruti Suzuki, JSW Steel, and Tata Motors have already implemented the various applications of data science in the manufacturing domain. Aditya Birla Group has revolutionized its business with the introduction of a strong data analytics platform called Nucleus, paving way for digital transformation. This is built on AWS Cloud and supports the day-to-day analytics decisions. We have been filling you through all this information to arrive at this crucial point. Yes, there are brilliant opportunities that await you to advance into a data science career at this point. You can in fact leverage your manufacturing background for the same. So, what should you be doing to kickstart the career transition? It's very simple. Learn, apply, and master. You can start familiarizing ML and deep learning concepts. Study database querying language like SQL. You also need to skill up in programming and statistics. Learning about data wrangling and visualization is a must. You might know what to learn, but how do you go about it? You might find learning materials online or browse through endless YouTube tutorials. But don't you wish to process to be more hassle-free with an exciting learning experience? If live interactive sessions with experts and industrial projects with direct company certifications, that too under affordable courses interest you, then you have a place to come to. Skillslash. We offer you the best data science coaching with elective tracks and domain training. Besides, we give you free career counseling and placement assistance. You can bring your own projects and complete them. What is more, you ask? You get to work with real-time AI and ML projects in your preferred domain and get expertise. Learn what you wish to under expert guidance at Skillslash. Waste no time. To pace up in this cat and mouse career race, you need to start planning and acting right now. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. To leap into your dream data science professional role, you need to start now and start with a strong foundation. Come join us. We have got your back.